Okay, now fine. Okay, similar to what is that? Hey developer, you have to use what is that find by method, and what you won't have need to write what is that SQL query. What is that? So similar to this, right? Similar to this, what is that? Have find by method, right? Find by method. Okay, so find by method. So how find by method are abstract, but in the what is that in our data JPA, right? In our data JPA, what find by method methods are abstract method. Abstract method, right? Abstract methods. Abstract method. Okay, this these are right. These are converted what is that to SQL query at what is that at runtime, at a runtime, right? No need what is that. So whenever we will use what is that find by method, right? Whenever we will use guys find by method, no need what is that no need of what is that no need of writing any query. No need to write what is that any query now. Okay, please mute yourself. Someone is unmuted now. Pallavi, unmute mute yourself. Okay. Okay, good. Good. So but what is that syntax now, guys? What is the syntax? How we can write what is that find by method? Okay, this is what is that abstract method, right? What is that abstract method? Abstract method, right? Method. So what is that find by method is there, right? Here what we will write based on that what is that data type, right? What is that what we will take the data type, that data type find by is the fix now. Okay, find by is the fix now. After then what is that entity class? In the entity class whatever variable we will take, based on that variable what we will do now, guys, we will perform the operation now, right? We will perform the operation on that. So like that we will write. Okay, like this what we will do now. And SQL query, we don't have need to write SQL query. This method will generate what is that this method only will generate what is that SQL query, right? And at the runtime now. Okay, so like what is that next one, next what is that it support what is that only select. But the disadvantage is what is that whenever we are performing using HQL means what query annotation, right? Whenever we are using based on that what is that query sorry query, right? Query, this is the query method is there or not, guys? Come on, this is the query method is there, right? Based on this query method what we are doing now, we are performing select operation as well as what non-select operation also, right? We can perform what is that select operation as well as what non-select operation also now. Okay, good. So here what is that, but the disadvantage of what is that find by method, what is the just by using find by method we can perform what is that select operation now, guys. Okay, just we can perform what is that select operation. Non-select operation we can't perform using what is that find by method. Don't worry, just theory is going on now. Whenever we will do the practical, then you people will what is that enjoy the session. Okay, but before based on that our theory only, what is that based on our theory only we can deep dive in the practical sessions, guys. Okay, so now good. Okay, so what is that, but what is that find by method is what abstract method now. Okay, so good. So find by method is what abstract method now. Okay, good. Now so it support, right? It support of what is that it support only what is that select operation. What is that it support It support only select operation. It select what? Only select operations now, guys. Okay, so another one is what? Another one is what we can do using what is that? Find by method. Now we should follow what is some rule. If we are writing that, right, what is that? If we are using what is that? Find by method, we have need to follow some rules to what? Write the method, then our method will work. Otherwise our what is that? IOC container will not able to recognize that method now, guys. Okay, because why? Because this is the abstract method, and we have need, we know that whenever we are writing in the Java, what is that? Interface or abstract method, we have need to follow what is that? Rules and guidelines, how we can write the abstract method, and what is that? How we can write the interfaces now. Okay, good. So let's see that. Okay, let's see that. Okay, so what is that? We should what is that? We should follow, we should follow some rule to write. We should follow some rule to this find by method, right? Find by what? Find by method. Okay, okay. So now we know that, and we seen that in the last session. What is that? Projection now, guys. Some in the table, right? In the table, like just think about that. This is the table, right? In the table, multiple records are there, right? Multiple records are there. So what is our requirement? No, I want to select only this row record, right? I want to select what is that? This column record. Okay, so that is called what? Projection, right? That is called what? Projection. So same like what is that? Same like only. Okay, same same like. Okay, same like our what is that? Find by method also. It support what is that? It supports what is that? Even projection. Projection, right? Projection. So okay, let's see that, guys, how we will write the syntax now. How its syntax is there now. Okay, so syntax, if we are writing what is that? If we are writing what? If we are writing what? uh, Using what is that? Find by method. So we will say the syntax. Syntax, what is the syntax? But what is that? Where we will write this one now, guys? Where we will write the this one? Inside that, what is the define? Define what? Inside repository interface, right? Okay, good. So what is the syntax now, guys? Return type, return type. Okay, then what is that? Find by find by, then what is that? Variable, and what is that? Condition we will write. Okay, variable and what? Condition. Okay, condition. After then what we will do now, guys? Okay, after then we will pass the input argument type. Which kind of argument we are taking now? Okay, so data type. That data type we will write here. Data type. After then what is that? We will specify the parameter name. Param name, right? Okay, this is the syntax now, guys. Okay, good. So let's write one example. Okay, first what we will do now, we will write one example here only. Okay, then we will understand here only. We will see that. Okay, whenever we will start the practical at the time, we will get what is that clear picture about this one. Okay, clear picture about this one. Then what will happen now? Then what will happen now? There we can just we will do the practical only, and everything there in our mind, what? Clearly, right? Clearly. So then at the time of practical we will not face any issue now. Okay, so good. So just example, what I'm writing one example now, guys. Okay, just this is the think about our entity class. Okay, entity class is nothing but what? Model class now. Okay, so what is that class? Employee. I'm writing what is that? Employee. I'm writing now. Good. Now good. Inside that, what is that? Integer. Integer what? Integer emp id is there, right? Emp id is there. Another one I'm taking, what is that? String emp name, right? Another one I'm taking, what is that? String emp name. Another one I'm taking, what is that? Double emp cell, right? Double emp cell. Good. This is our entity class now, guys. Okay, so whenever we will use what? Find by method, how we will write the method inside that what? Inside that what? Our what is, just see that what I wrote now. Syntax I wrote before writing the syntax, what I define inside that repository class. Okay, so how we will write the find by method? So this is the what? This is the find by method is there, right? But based on that, what I need, what is that? So what we have need to do now, guys, I want to perform what is that? Select operation based on that ID only, right? I want to select one record, right? One record. So what is that? So how we will write that? So okay, just think about that. Our query is this one. Okay, what is the query now? Select star from employee where okay, where emp id equal to what is that? Question mark, right? This is our query now, guys. Okay, come on, everything is fine now, guys. You people are able to listen my voice, all those things is good.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes.
all good, all good.
Okay, good, very good, very good. Okay. Okay, let's see that one more time. How many? Vinod, Venkatesh, Shuni, Sudesh, Samita, Shaurabh, Santosh, Sai Kumar, Rare. Okay. Hey, who is this PPP? May I know your name, man? Man, a woman, a girl? I don't know. Use your name, okay? At least PPP. Unmute yourself. Gajanan.
Ravi, this is Pujita.
Oh, hi Pujita. Okay, good. No, actually, if you take your name, right, it will remember if everything. After session also, I'm reminding who is the who was there in the session, right? So please, guys, take your name in the meeting. Okay. So okay, no issue, Pujita. Good, very good. Okay, unmute, mute yourself. Now listen the session. Okay. Guys, actually I'm not getting Pujita voice properly. My voice is breaking up. Pujita network is from the side. Pujita network problem is there.
Your side is good.
Your voice is clear to me.
Okay, good, very good. Okay, mute yourself, guys. Okay, Amrani, mute yourself now. Okay, so what is that? Based on that, guys, what is that? This is the query, right? This is the query. What is the query now? Select star from employee where emp id is what is that? Question mark. Okay, so at the time of just think about that, if one record we are selecting means what is that? We will select what is that? Only one record or not from the database table. Come on, only one record we will select it, right? So same like what we will do now next. What is that? See this, guys. Okay, see this. Okay, so this is the what is that? Select star from emp. But what is that? Our what we are going to learn today now? Find by method, right? Find by method. So how we will write the find by method to select the what is that? Only one record now. Only one record now. Currently focus on the return type. Okay, what is the return type? We will specify return type. Okay, as well as what? Find by method, as well as what, guys? Variable and what? Condition we will write. After then what is that? If we are selecting what is that? This is the argument. It will become what? Argument now. Okay, good, very good. So let's see that. Okay, let's see that how we will write that. Okay, so good. So first what we will do now? Find by method we will write. Okay, find by method we are writing that. Okay, after then now guys, okay, after then what we will do now? Find by method is there. Now say this based on that, what is that? This is the employee table is there now. This is the employee table is there, right? Good. This is what employee table is there. Based on that ID, we have need to select what is that record from the database, right? I have need to select what is that. Based on that what? Based on that ID, we will select what? Record from the database. Okay, so how we will select it now, guys? How we will select it now? Okay, let's see that. Okay, so what is that? Find by. Okay, so here what is that? EMP ID is there, right? So find by method is there now, here only. Okay, we will add it. Okay, what we will add it now? EMP ID, EMP ID, right? EMP ID, we will write like this. In where we will write now? In interface, where repository interface, we will write this method inside that what? Repository interface now, guys. Okay, good. So now another one is what? Another we will specify now. What is that argument type, guys? Okay, see these things, we what is that variable and condition, we wrote it now. Okay, so now good. So what is that? Find by method is what? Constant now, guys. For every content, what is that? For every operation we will perform, what is that? Find by method is what? Constant. Okay, after then what is that? EMP ID. So we will take what is that? Based on which what is that? Based on which variable we will perform the operation, that variable we will take. Okay, that variable, if you take another, then you will get what? Error. Your application will not work. Okay, so now good. So here what will happen now? See this. Okay, find by method is there, EMP ID is there. Okay, good. So another one is what? Condition. Condition, what is that? EMP ID. Where EMP ID is there, right? So condition will become what is that? Argument. This argument will become what is that? Condition now. Okay, internally it will generate our JPA data. JPA will generate that query. Okay. Okay, so what we will take now, guys? See this here. Okay, so here what will happen now? Here what will happen now? See this. See this here. Argument. Argument we will take. What is that? What kind of argument are there in which operation? Same data type we will take, guys. Okay, if we perform what is that? ID. Based on that ID we are selecting the record, right? Based on the ID we are selecting the record, right? So whatever data type is there, right? Based on that data type only we will take here argument. Otherwise what will happen? Again we will get what? Error. These rule we have need to follow at the time of what? Writing find by method now, guys. Okay, writing what is that? Find by method now. Okay, good. So let's see that. Okay, let's see that what we will do now. Here what is that? Integer, right? Integer, what is the data type? Integer only, right? Come on, integer, right?
Yes, integer.
Yes.
Integer and
Yeah, integer. After then what we will do now? Name we can take any, guys. Okay, name can be, but what is that? Return type, what is that? Data type should be same, must be matched with what is that? Our entity class, whatever, based on which what is that? Based on which data type we are performing the operation. Now good. Okay, this is the method now, guys. Okay, this is what? Method now. Okay, so good. So what we will have, and what we will have, next one is what? Return type. We will specify return type. Now currently think about that, guys, list only. Okay, later we will see that. Okay, later I will tell how we will select only one record and what is the return type. So what we will do now, here return type we are taking what? List type. Okay, list of what? Employee. List of what? Employee now, guys. Okay, so like this what we will do now? Like this what we will do now? Like this we will write the method inside that what? Inside that what? Repository interface. Then we can perform what is that? Internally, which kind of query will generate, which kind of operation we will perform, like this. Okay, so this is what? To write the this is the way we will follow this rule to write what is that? Find by method now, guys. Okay, so condition between all those things I'm going to explain it here. Okay, but basic rule, this is the basic rule to write what is that? Find by method now, guys. Okay, find by method. Based on this method what will happen now? Internally these query will generate. Okay, no need to write this query, right? How HQL query we are writing now, using what? Entity class. So same like, but there what we are following? this variable and all those things we are following in the last session, right? So here no need to follow. Okay, just write what is that based on that what, based on this, what is that based on this find by method, we can prepare the method and we will write it. Okay, we will write it. Okay, good. So another one also, guys. Okay, whoever new in the session, guys, I'm using what is that Zoom free. Okay, so this one is giving just 40 minute time. Okay, until unless if I'm not saying session, today's session is over, guys, return back to yourself. Okay, and join the meeting. Okay, this is a very helpful session, and even I'm not compromising a single things also in the what is that Spring Boot and microservices. Okay, this is the your future, guys. Okay, please believe on this. Okay, this word is more important. Okay, this is the future, and even I'm single things also I'm not see these things in whatever concept I explained in the last session. Those concept people are learning in the Hibernate, but Hibernate concept also I'm explaining in the data JPA. Okay, so I'm thinking about you people. Okay, think about yourself at least. Another person is thinking about you, so at least think about yourself only, right? If you succeeded in your life, right, everything will come. Okay, so respect is more important than anything else. Okay, in my point of view. Okay, good. So let it be, guys. Okay, let's see that. Okay, let's see that. Okay, select star from employee where empid question mark, right? So what we will follow now, find by method. This is the concept till what is that, till constant, till what is that, find by, till the thing is what, guys, constant. After then what is that, this one will change, based on that entity class and based on that condition. Based on the condition these things will change. Don't worry. Okay, whenever we will go ahead in the session, we will learn each and everything. Okay, guys, so now good. So okay, guys, so one more. Okay, one more things I'm giving. It's what is it that here EMP-ID is there, right? EMP-ID is there, right? Here what I'm taking now, EMP-ID. Based on this one, right? We can write what is that, we can write like this also. Okay, just we can change it. This one also good, and this one, but this one is recommended. This one is recommended. List of what is that? List of what? Employee. List of what? Employee. Here what we will do now, find by what is that, here small e we taken, right? Small e taken na, we can take what is that, capital also, EMP-ID, right? This is the more readable, and what is that, Java coding also we are following, right? We are following, but except that if you are taking another word, then it will not work. I will show that problem also. Okay, I will show that. Now integer EID, right? Good, very good. Very good. Okay, so next what we will do now, guys. Okay, so now let's see that. Okay, let's see that. Okay, if we want, right, just think about that. I want to select based on that employee salary, right? Employee salary. So employee salary, based on that, what is that, employee salary, right? Just here see that EMP-ID. Based on that EMP-ID we wrote what is that, find by method or not, guys? Come on.
Yes, Ravi. Yes.
Yeah. So
Yes,
so now,
yes.
One more.
okay, so let's
Ravi,
yes. Yes. Anyone having any doubt?
yeah, I am taking as a passing one integer.
Sorry.
Yeah, Ravi,
Mhm.
I am taking passing only one integer employee ID.
Mhm.
Audible?
Yeah.
I am passing employee ID only one, and
Hmm.
they are return. So we are taking only employee also.
Sorry.
If suppose the multiple record are there,
Yes. Multiple record is there. Then next what?
then we take list. But I am passing only one employee ID number. Then they will give only one employee record.
Yes. So don't worry about that. Initially, before explanation, I given, right. Just now for the permanent,
Okay.
no. Currently, take the list of employee.
Okay.
Later, I will explain single record when the record why actually suddenly if I take, guys, you people will not understand. I know that you doubt, right? This you are talking about this
Okay.
return type, right?
Yeah.
Yes, I
Yeah,
think
correct, Ravi.
yeah, I know that. Initially, before explanation, when I was explaining what is that return type at the time, I told currently think about that list of employee only. Later, I will explain why I'm writing this one. Okay, I don't want to give it
Yeah, okay, thanks.
suddenly burden to you people. Okay, because of that, I'm explaining list of employee. Okay, here I'm taking a return type list of employee. Don't bother about this one. Okay.
Yeah, okay, Ravi.
Ah,
Okay.
yes, good doubt, good doubt. Okay. If but listen this thing proper also, right? I already explained, but yeah, okay, no problem. Okay, if you have the doubt at the correct time, that's a good only. If after completion, if this kind of doubt will come, I can give the answer, but inside me, what I'm feeling, see this that person is what wasting the time in the session. That's it. Like this I'm thinking about that people. So don't worry, that's very nice things. Okay, that's very nice things. Okay, good. But listen the session proper. Okay, I explained already. Okay, good. So okay guys, so next let's see that next what is that. Another one more things I'm writing, right? One more things there we will get the clear picture again, right? Then we will get again clear picture. What is that? I want to select the record based on that what emp id. So may I know that you people can able to give the like find by method syntax now, guys? Come on, anybody use the chat box, guys? Okay, everyone use the chat box, guys. Okay, we will learn together only. Okay, use the chat box. Based on that, what is that emp cell, right? Emp cell, we want to write what is that find by method. No problem, guys. Okay, no problem. Okay, mistakes also acceptable. Mistakes, because we are learner, right? We are learner. Okay, no, don't worry about that doing the mistake. Okay, if you are doing the mistake, that is not a crime, guys. Okay, not a crime. Okay, but same mistake if you are repeating again and again, then the problem is there, because we have need to learn with the mistake only, right? It's not meaning that every time we are repeating the same mistake. Okay, so okay guys, so okay, so please based on that salary, right? Based on that salary, write the my find by method, guys. Okay, write the find by method. If mistake is there, I will write, I will explain why I'm taking the session, because of this one only, right? So write it, guys. Ayodele, good. Aswin, good. Sudhir, good. Amrani, good. Yeah, guys, everyone is there in the good track. Good track, good track. Very nice, very nice. Very nice, guys. Good, good. Appreciated. Everyone. Very nice, very nice. Okay. Deepak. Sunil. Good. What about others? Okay, good. Everyone wrote right. Good. Very nice. Very nice, guys. Very nice. Okay. So what is that list of what? List of what? Employee, right? List of what? Employee. Okay. What is that find? Find by. What is that find by? Here, what is the variable name, guys? EMP cell, right? So he EMP cell, right? EMP cell. Okay, good. So now here, okay, see this. What is the return type? What is the data type now, guys? What is the data type? Double, right? We will take double. What is that? EMP cell. Okay, anything. This name can be take or anything, guys. Okay, anything. Okay, Pallavi, I have a question. Yes, Pallavi, unmute yourself. You can ask. Okay, you can ask.